So I started with these cardstock tags that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they measure about 3 inches by 4 inches. And I set them aside. Then I had these letters that I got a bag of from Dollar General, and I painted all the letters using Antique Villa from Wise Owl Paint, and I gave them 2 coats, and this says Life is Sweet. Using some alcohol ink and some wood beads, I just put gloves on, poured the alcohol ink on the wood beads and rubbed around, and it stained my beads. You can find alcohol ink at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And I did a total of 8 beads. I took my hot glue gun and I glued each letter onto its own cardstock tag. I then took some jute and I cut 11 pieces the same length. And once they were all cut, I put the jute through the hole at the top of the tag. And using my hot glue gun, I glued the jute into a loop. And I did this for each tag. And then I found these adorable candles in Dollar General that I could not leave there, so I decided to add them to my garland. So I took a long piece of jute and strung it through each loop at the top of the tag. I took my cute tea light candle and the candle wick came right out, and I strung my 2 wood beads, and using some E6000 I put some at the top of the candle and placed it in between the wood beads. And I just repeated this until I had all the letters on the jute. There was a bead and a candle between each word. And I just used the clothespin as a marker so I knew where to glue my candle and start the next word. And once that was done and the E6000 was dry, I took the hot glue gun and I glued the loop to the jute that I had strung through. So that way when you hang it, the words don't all fall down. And there you go. Now you have this really easy, fun summer garland that you can hang on a buffet or on a wall in your house. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And you can also catch some other tutorials over on our YouTube or webpage. Have a great day.